Hear me out. Are you a tailor? Are you a fashion designer and you make shirts, or you want to be very professional in your shirt making skills? Now I want you to make sure you watch this particular video from the beginning to the end, because in this particular video we are going to be exposing so many secrets on shirt making. Now in today's video, what we are going to be dealing with is about the shirt button spacing. Now what do I mean by shirt button spacing? You guys know that when you finish making a shirt, you now end up to finish it whereby putting your button. Now a lot of us use like 3 inches as button spacing. Some of us use 4 inches as button spacing. Some of us use 2 inches as his button spacing. Some of us use 3.5 as the button spacing. Some of us are not sure about this spacing. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be telling us the best button spacing which you are going to use. And I'm also going to be letting you know the button spacing which you are going to be using for a male shirt, the button spacing which you are going to be using for a female shirt, the button spacing which you are going to be using even for a kid. That is what we are going to be doing in this particular video. Now I want you to make sure you watch this. So this is our shirt sample, as you can see right now. Do you understand? So remember, we are talking about the distance between 2 buttons. Yet, which one are you going to be using? Remember, when you finish making your shirt, you take it to where they will do buttonhole for you, and they ask you to mark the distance between the 2 buttons. Do you understand? Sometimes we mark it 3 inches, 4 inches, 3.5 or whatsoever. So I'm going to be explaining what you have to use, whether you are making a male shirt or a female shirt or even a kid shirt. Okay, for those of us that still don't understand what I mean, look at what I mean. The distance between this particular button and this particular button, do you understand? Whatever you use is going to actually be the same thing between all the buttons. Do you understand? This is what we are talking about. Now I want you guys to see this that is written here. This is what I'm going to be using to explain it. Now in general, we use 4 inches. Now I'm going to be explaining why we use 4 inches. In most cases, we use 4 inches as the distance between 2 buttons whenever you are making a shirt. And the reason is because if you are making a very free shirt, you guys know mostly all these shirts that we make that are very, very free. I mean, very, very free on the body. Do you understand? You can go ahead and use 4 inches gap for the buttons. Do you understand? Now, another reason why we have to use 4 inches gap for our shirt is when you are making a male shirt. And we all know that the reason is because a male shirt is always very, very free on the body. Do you understand? So that is when we use. So the standard for a male shirt, I mean the gap of the buttons is actually 4 inches. The reason is because the shirt is mostly free. But if you're a male, you are making a shirt, you don't want it to be free, you want it to be close to the body, just know that it's not going to be 4 inches. The reason why we are using 4